You have failed to build a strong community. That is the harsh truth if your Twitch viewer count is on 0 or 1. Here are some quick solutions to that. The first one is most important in my opinion, and the last one is my favorite. So how do you build a strong community? Well, firstly, you need a Discord server, and I'm showing you right now how easy it is to make a Discord server. Just like that, within a few seconds, I've made a Discord server. This is going to help you build a deeper connection with your community. It's going to help you inform them when you're live. And as a result, it should keep the viewers coming back. Make sure you add it as a panel to your Twitch bio. You can add it further up as well. And if you have a chatbot like Streamlabs Cloudbot, make sure you add a Discord command. Speaking of chat, make sure you're doing the basics here. Make sure you acknowledge every single chat message. Of course, be grateful for every subscription and donation that you get. And make sure you enhance follows, subs, and donations by using alerts such as Streamlabs or Stream Elements alerts. Now, I don't have one, but many people like to set a stream schedule. If you're going to do that, put it in your panels. Regardless, just before you go live, make sure you notify your viewers on other platforms such as X or Instagram stories, and of course Discord as well. So that's step 1 to get more viewers. I've got 2 more steps. And my second tip is make good content. The first thing you need to do is add in your camera. Let's do a quick comparison. Look at all the streams on this page now. How many of them have a camera? Now, if I go to the top of the category, how many of these people have a camera? You can obviously see nearly all of them have a camera. And actually on this page, Kenji here is showing what you should do if you don't want to use your camera. And that is set up a VTuber instead. Look up a VTube studio guide. You must have a camera or a VTuber in my opinion. Why is that? Well, simply put, people like a human connection and they're more likely to stay around and watch. Now, we were briefly watching Ninja earlier on, and that is because I think Ninja is a great example of somebody who keeps the energy high, and you should do this throughout your stream, even if you have no viewers in your chat. In the same manner, if you don't feel like streaming, if you think you can't keep the energy high, just don't stream, do something instead. Make a video, post on Instagram, post on TikTok, just do anything other than streaming. Now, Ninja is certainly more skilled at gaming than most people. Somebody who probably isn't is Tim the Tatman, and this is a perfect example of what I think there is 3 different types of successful streamer. Number 1 is a highly skilled player, like an esports player, like Ninja. Number 2 is the Tim the Tatmans. These have just got entertaining personalities. And number 3 is somewhat like myself, is just an informative streamer, somebody who's there to tell you about something. So you should aim to be one of these 3 types of streamer. If you can do more of them, then that's better. I think Ninja is also, of course, an entertaining streamer as well as a highly skilled one. And when it comes to making good content, I think this is the most important tip to grow your Twitch stream. You need to post your content on other platforms. So make vertical short form content and cross-post it to YouTube Shorts, to TikTok, to Instagram Reels, and Facebook Reels. Yes, Facebook Reels. You've already got the vertical video, so you may as well put it everywhere. Of course, as you can see, I've got a solo link tree, some link in bio link in my bio, and if I click through it, you can see I've got a link to my Twitch and my Discord and other platforms. This is the key one for me. This is the one that has helped me get to over 1.8k on Twitch right now. My third strategy to increase your viewers is to experiment. Don't always stream the same thing. I think you need to study what works. So look at the top of your category. For example, here, I'm looking at the top of the GTA category. Look through a few of these streams, note down what are they doing, what are you not doing that they're doing, and adapt your own stream. Of course, there is a ton of different things that you could stream on Twitch, so sometimes even consider changing game or at least change the game mode. And I said this at the start, this is my favorite method to get more viewers. This is multi-streaming. Twitch now allows it, so why are you limiting yourself to just Twitch? I recommend you stream on Twitch, YouTube, Kick, and TikTok. And you could add even more platforms like I've got X, Trovo, and Facebook added as well. To learn more about multi-streaming, watch this video here.